beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today topic na about one video when I see for Izzy Ogbaide platform. The video, I say, because it don't tell when I want make I want react to the video. It don't say when I want make I really talk about this issue of a Benin boys. We be say if our boys, because me, I feel they do cup. Now, for instance, I'm not going to do the advert again. But very soon I will start again, you know. So I notice and say if you want to introduce girl to boy now, you will say na Benin boy. You will say no, mama, Benin boy I don't want their wahala. So the thing they really like, they surprise me. I know say that because of the way some of our Benin boys stay they behave, now they make girl not the one date them. So till one guy now can't cry out, can't call Izzy Ogbaide, they say he don't say when they try to reach him, say because the thing they worried where in go the tools get they don't agree. They'll say na Benin boy, because say na Benin boy, they don't want date him, you know. So as I see, I can say, you don't even know how make I talk for this thing really. Make I just play small for the guy. What did the guy talk? I play small more and listen.
I hope you're fine. I'm all right. Brother, I'm from Edo State. Being precisely, I quickly want to drop this for you right now, and I have been following you for a long time, even before you started your show, and I quickly want to tell you something. You, please, if you see my voice record, just let me know and please try to address it, because I know this. You can do this. You get me? There is a lot of things that are going on. I'm a young man. I'm not married. I've never been married before. I don't have a child. I'm a hardworking guy.
Okay.
But I have these issues with a lot of our, you try to come across. Once you come across a lady and you try to say hi, and the next thing, if she managed to even answer you and just ask you, okay, where are you from and all that. Now, to say I get on that time, I know they struggle with self-esteem, okay? You tell this person you're Benin. You're from a dust. I don't struggle with low self-esteem. I have a lot.
In and Benin,
so keep it to yourself. Talking. The next thing she was telling me that it was a Benin. And a lot of them have not seen anything too.
Okay.
Some people are working with the influence. She should never date a Benin. If she sees any Benin man that she should run, she should never date a Benin man.
He saying toast one girl. The girl tell her say, he as far as say you be Benin, he not go date you. Because his mama make her understand say Benin guys no good. Not follow Benin man. So because of that one, he no want follow Benin person. You understand? He say na wetin his mama make her understand. Na be that one. So my ogbonge people, the matter, like the thing, it dey shocktalize me. Our boys, our girls don't already get that mentality, say Benin boys no good. Benin boys no good. You understand? So I go say I go do this topic. More may we see wetin our boys they pass through. Our guests not the one follow them because say they be Benin. He say the girl tell am say, his mama tell am say, may he not follow Benin boy because they no good, but not be all. Listen, no.
This lady not the same. There are 16 men out there. There are a lot of people who are bad as well. There are a lot of good people in every tribe, Calabar, Yoruba, Delta, they are bad people. Not just Edo State. You get me? She was like, even if a Benin woman can tell her that if you see Benin Maroon, so why would she believe?
Okay.
I'm telling you, like, I've seen a lot. Anybody you meet, even if it's a Calabar girl, you will say, Benin people, Benin men, they are bad. A lot of them have seen or having this mentality in their brain that this is what my friend told me.
Okay.
It never happened to them. This is what happened to my friend. This is what my sister told me.
Okay.
And a lot of them they miss their husband. As I do like this now.
Yeah.
I've been working.
They will miss
for
their
more
husband.
than 3
Yeah.
years now. I have my papers. I have
My brother, you not go to blame them. Wetin some Benin guys don't do our women. Wetin they don't do them too much. Now it cause and wey be say they will say they don't want to follow Benin person again. And our Benin was supposed to be married before, but they are some of their character. It's nothing to write home about. Some of them they are bad character. Even me, I don't get experience with them too. So now he make not be say they be no one follow Benin. They use the same eye till they look all of them. They use the same eye till they look all of them. But not be all. Now they are our ladies for they get am wrong. Not be all they wicked. This guy saying they work, he get good work, he get document, he get everything. But get no one, guess no one follow him because I'm Benin guy.
to see wife, a problem. To see better girl, a problem. People should be sincere, like, it's not just to fuck and all that. To even see better girl, you will be sincere because of what happened to her before. How can you be judging somebody you don't even know with your past, with something that happens to you before? Influence, with the influence into. Some people are working with the influence or having this mentality in their brain that this is what my friend told me. It never happened to them. This is what happened to my friend. This is what my sister told me. And a lot of them they miss their husband. As I like this now. Yeah. I've been working for more than 3 years now. I have my papers, I have my document, I have my own house. But to see wife, no problem. To see better girl, no problem. People should be sincere, like, it's not.
Can stop calling me.
You will be sincere because of what happened to her before. How can you be judging somebody you don't even know with your past, with something that happens to you before? These are some of the things we are passing through, like they will be judging you that they don't even know you.
Yes.
Because of their past relationship. If somebody you dated before was not good for you, does that mean that somebody that is coming that you don't even know, you're already judging that person? I was talking to somebody and this person never knew me. As in, we never met. The next thing was like, whether they look you, but I say you could cheat or you could cheat. I don't understand. I was mad. Like, you don't know me, you are judging me. It's like you could just cheat. The next thing, you being myself. The thing was driving me crazy, like mad. She was like, you just the talk.
You see, so this our brother. I really feel for him. Really, like I feel for him because in waiting in the past through now, he no gree see get we want follow now. So I want to use this video to advise our ladies. Not be all guys they wicked. Not be all Sunday good. Not be all day wicked. Sunday good, I beg. Because we don't get this mindset say now all Benin boys now they bad. No, Sunday good. Like this our brother now he need wife, but he don't get because if he toast does say na Benin guy. Because of that one, they no want follow. So my darling people, I don't want to make this video too long. So I beg, may we change this our our mindset say Benin boys all dey wicked. I know say some throw boys that no one make us know the good ones. So so my darling people, anything una think about this video, you can leave your comments for the comment section. Bye everybody. Bye.